I'm Jackie and welcome back to JackieNaturals. I hope you all are having an awesome day. So if you haven't noticed by the title of this video, I am super excited because I am reviewing a very different type of product, and it's from Terelax, guys. And it is this foot and calf massager. I am super excited. I want to give a huge shout out to Terelax for sponsoring this video. I highly appreciate it. So I cannot wait, guys. They reached out to me and they offered to send me this to review. And if you guys don't know, I have rheumatoid arthritis. I was diagnosed 13 years ago. Yes, 25 years old, rheumatoid arthritis, guys. So when they reached out to me about this, I was super excited to try this out and I jumped on it immediately. So I'm so excited to review this for you guys today. So I do love that it is portable and lightweight. It is only 12.3 pounds. I had no issues picking it up at all, which was amazing. I definitely love the design of it, and I will get into that more shortly. It also has 3 preset modes, and it has the manual mode, and again, I'll show you that closer up once we do that next. And I definitely love it. You can adjust the speed and the direction if you go into the manual mode, and it does fit US men's size 12 and US women's size 14. And of course, you can also use it on your calves, and we're going to put that to the test because your girl has some big calves. So we're going to try it out. So let's go ahead and get a close-up of this beauty and then we'll do the demo. So guys, I did bring you guys in a little bit closer so you can see this up close and personal. It is really nice. I do love the black and charcoal, and this charcoal has like a shimmer on it. And then this is the black lining where you put your foot or calf in, and it does have a zipper so you can remove this to wash it. And it does have this LCD screen, which is awesome. It does the countdown for the 15 minutes, which is automatic. Of course, you can restart it, but they do recommend you don't go over 30 minutes. And then you have all of your settings here. So the middle is the on-off button right here. And then you have your speed up and down. So if you do go into manual mode right here, you can adjust that speed up and down, which is great. It also has the direction. If you want to switch to direction, you can always do that, just to show you guys. And then it has the mode. There is 3 pre-programmed modes, so that is nice as well. And I must admit, my favorite part of this, guys, is that it has this heating button. I love heat. Heat does really help me with my arthritis, so I'm really happy that it has this heating element to it. So that is awesome. But I did also want to show you that the remote control has all of the same features. It has the power button, it has the heating, it has the manual mode, it has the speed up and down, the timer up and down, and the direction. So this is awesome. I am super excited. So enough of me talking, guys. We are gonna go ahead and try it right out. Okay guys, we are back and we are laid out on my sofa in my house, so welcome to my living room. We are going to go ahead and put it on with the remote. Ooh! Oh, that's nice. That's really nice. I will say though, I did struggle getting my calves in here a little bit, but I do have really big calves. But I did struggle a little bit, but it's giving me a nice massage without being too forceful. I am not the type that likes those deep massages. You can adjust it, but I like where it is actually right now. When I turned it on, just like this, it's in mode 1. And like I said, the timer is on for 15 minutes. This is awesome. I am definitely going to get a lot of use of this sitting on my sofa watching TV because the big screen is right there, guys. So I am going to enjoy this. So now we are going to go ahead and try it on my feet. Okay guys, so we are back. We are now going to try it on my feet for the very first time. So I'm going to turn this baby on, and that feels awesome. I do feel a massager. It's on the bottom of my feet, and they also have it on this side. So it feels so good. I definitely feel like I like for my feet better than my calves, but that's just personal preference. It can also go for your forearms if you want to go ahead and put it in there. If you did some workout and you need to go ahead and relax that, you can definitely do that as well. But I am loving it for my feet, guys. And if you don't know, my feet does swell. So this is going to come in so handy. Now it is a nice deep massage. So it is like a little bit, it gives you a little bit more. It definitely does. It is really nice. I am definitely here for it. It has 2 thumbs up from me. definitely make sure you check out Terelaxusa.com and go ahead and check it out. They do have the lowest prices on their website. Even Amazon doesn't have it as low as they currently do. So if you are interested or you know someone who may be interested, this would be a great Christmas gift, guys. Yes, the holidays are right around the corner. Christmas, birthday gift. I love it. It is awesome. I will definitely be using this ASAP. And you guys already know, RJ already asked me if he can use it too. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give your girl a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and press that bell button so you're notified of any future videos. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!